Hello everyone. I just wanted to jump on here and let you all know that this is your last chance to join my Success School for Entrepreneurs, which is a mentorship program with me. It's something that I don't open up very often. In fact, the last time I offered this was a year ago. And so I will be closing the doors to this program so that I can be intimate with my students and give them my support very soon. So be sure to sign up for Success School for Entrepreneurs, because when the doors open again, the price that I have priced it at will not be that price any longer. In fact, my colleagues tell me that I'm crazy for charging this very low price. However, I really want to make sure that you're accessing these tools and resources and my mentorship so that I'll fast track you and your success, so that you save yourself from the school of hard knocks. And this is something that I pride myself in as a business visionary and also as a marketing mentor for the entrepreneurs and for my authors. Not all my authors consider themselves entrepreneurs yet, so I always make sure to let my authors know, yes, you are in fact entering entrepreneurship. So if this is something that interests you, please sign up today. If this is something that you know would benefit one of your colleagues or your friends that has an entrepreneurial goal, that has a author wish, please let them know, because like I said, once my doors close to this program, the prices will not be the same price again when they open. So make sure to join. I'm just going to share my screen with you and let you see. You're going to go to my Live with Laura website, and you're going to click on Success School, and you're going to click Invest in Your Business Today. And that's how you register. Okay? Success School for Entrepreneurs is a very different program. Nothing like you've probably ever been involved in, especially when it comes to when you add the word school. So make sure to join. You're going to enjoy the journey. It's something that all of my students will tell you that they've learned so much and they've gained such profound wisdom as well as transformational tools for their business and their life and their health. So this is something that you don't want to be missing out of. So a lot of times folks will ask me, well, what is this school? How does this work? Who is this for? And this is for folks that are either entrepreneurs or authors looking to build a business or grow a business. It's for my entrepreneurs that have a goal or a wish and they just don't know where to go. They don't know the next step, or they're spending hours upon hours trying to figure it out. Or worse, they've wasted thousands of dollars trying to figure it out on their own, or they've taken courses that tell them what they're doing wrong, maybe even tell them a possible solution, but never show them how to do it. This is something that I pride myself in over the last 20 plus years as I'm working with entrepreneurs, that I love to show you how to do it, how to get there. Interactive training. And we also use your learning style. So we're teaching you the best way for you to attain the knowledge, to learn. We also will give you tools that will fast track you, as well as keeping you laser focused to achieve your goals. So if you have squirrelitis, if you tend to say, I can't accomplish my goal, this is also something that we will help you implement. So goal setting with action steps. The other thing that's beautiful about Success School is you can learn on the go. So if you're a busy business owner on the go, we also provide tools and resources that allow you to learn on the go. Many of the time, my health and wellness entrepreneurs might be in between patients and they'll be learning on the go. Sometimes my authors are on a retreat or at a location or writing on their lunch break at their job. This is a great way that they can learn on the go. Or my wellnesspreneurs that literally are still at their job, but they want to be part of their entrepreneurial freedom lifestyle, where they have lifestyle freedom, time freedom, and they are learning on their lunch break or when the kids are going down for a nap. So we pride ourselves in this type of learning so that you're not worried about, will I miss out because I am in the middle of my job or when you're on a long commute. So many of my entrepreneurs also will listen on the go in their commute. We also will have live training where you can ask Laura questions, myself questions, live with Laura sessions. And these sessions will help fast track you within a group coaching environment, but also in a group visionary environment. I find as a business visionary, I will get a direct download for you, and I will give you a download of the success path so that you're not wasting time trying to figure it out. So having these live Q&A, live with Laura sessions will be very instrumental in fast tracking your success. We'll have areas for your business, for health within the program as well. And you'll also be getting access to some of my master class programs that will be rolling out over the course of the monthly curriculums. So those are sought after programs that I have that go for thousands of dollars, and you'll be able to access them within our Success program over your monthly membership within the Success School Club program. You know, as far as achieving your goals, it literally is going to help you accelerate your business, taking your wish and your vision and turning it into a reality for your business, clarifying your wish, using my action attraction plan, strategy, and templates as a roadmap to help you reach your goals. So this is also going to be things that you'll have access to. Learn by doing. So many of you we will work on what is your best way of learning. And many of you learn by doing. So interactive learning so that when we are on live sessions, you will actually be doing it. So you'll leave the call, actually have accomplished something. Okay. And that is critical, especially in my entrepreneurs' busy life schedule, that sometimes you take a course and you're sitting there listening and you're not applying it immediately, or you're not getting under the hood and actually fixing or adjusting what it is that you're learning. You're going to be learning by doing. You're going to be behind the driver's seat driving, and I will be your co-pilot, helping you so that you are missing the big bumps and boulders in the road. So you'll have a clearer success path. You'll also have access to our supportive community. So this is where you're going to be surrounded by other heart-centered entrepreneurs, wellness practitioners, and authors who want to make a big difference in the world and grow their businesses. And this is the type of community that I wished for many years to have myself. So this is something that I wanted to develop for you so that you have an area where you could be with like-minded, supportive people. You're also going to have access to motivations, inspiration, encouragement, and accountability partners to help keep you going. Did you know that you're 95% more likely to accomplish your goal if you have a community to support you? That is critical in your success path. Did you also know that folks that have New Year's resolutions for their life, for their health, and their business are more likely to abandon those goals within the first several weeks of the new year? This makes my heart sad because so many of you have so many epic goals that I know will make a huge difference in the world. So this is where I want to make sure that you have the best success path and the best success tools that you'll have in your toolbox and your tool belt for massive success. So click that Invest in Your Business Today button and join us, because this is something that you don't want to miss out on. Many of my students have had profound success when we work on their goals, their dreams come true, their business wishes come true. So be sure to learn more about the many students that I've worked with that have had massive, massive success. And if you happen to be one of my students, please feel free to leave a comment below, because we'd love for other folks to hear what you've worked on, what you've accomplished, and support you on your entrepreneurial journey. So thank you, everybody, for listening to this. And if you know a friend, click the share button and share this with someone else that could benefit from joining our Success School for Entrepreneurs program. Like I said, when the clock strikes 11:11, this Success School door will close, and I will be working with these students exclusively. So be sure to not miss out. There's going to be a lot of goodies, a lot of really fun things we're going to be doing, and a lot of fun, famous Laura virtual parties, as well as a lot of my famous swag. So you don't want to miss out on these goodies. So click invest in your business below and take advantage of this. So thank you again, everybody. Have an amazing day. Be sure to go to livewithlaura.com and click on Success School to join. Thanks again.